The human intellect can be aptly likened to a meticulously tended garden, one that can either be intelligently nurtured or left to its untamed inclinations. Regardless of the path taken, it is an undeniable certainty that your garden yields certain outcomes. If valuable seeds of wisdom do not find their way into this mental soil, an abundance of weed seeds shall take root instead, perpetuating their poison ceaselessly. In a manner akin to a dedicated gardener meticulously refining their land, one must expel undesirable weeds. He must instead foster the growth of essential flowers and fruits. In this way, an individual too can oversee the cultivation of their own thought processes and, as a consequence, their destiny. This involves eradicating all erroneous, futile, and impure thoughts, fostering the evolution of impeccable flowers and fruits emanating from virtuous, functional, and untainted thoughts. Through steadfast commitment to this endeavor, one eventually unveils the role of a masterful horticulturist, presiding over the wellspring of their soul and steering the course of their existence. The profound principles governing thought reveal themselves, and as one's understanding grows more refined, they grasp the intricacies of how thought forces and cognitive elements intricately mold their temperament, situations, and fundamentally their fate. Thoughts and character seamlessly entwine, forming inseparable unity. Considering that the revelation of one's character is inherently entwined with their surroundings and context, external circumstances consistently serve as a reflection of the internal essence of an individual. Simply put, the world is a mirror. It reflects to you only what you see, which is to say only what you already are. However, it is vital to note that a person's current circumstances do not singularly define their entire character. Instead, these circumstances are inexorably linked to pivotal thought elements within, temporary yet indispensable for the journey of maturation and realization. Each person is precisely where their inherent law of existence has placed them. The thoughts meticulously woven into their character have led them to this juncture. There exists no semblance of randomness in the orchestration of their life. Every aspect is the outcome of an unwavering law, bereft of error. It is true, you are in the perfect place for your spiritual growth. The principle is as applicable to those sensing disharmony within their surroundings as it is to those at peace with them. As an entity in perpetual evolution, humanity occupies their present station as an instructive platform for growth and wisdom. As one extracts the spiritual teachings entwined within each circumstance, these instances fade away, ceding space to new experiences and new parts of yourself. The turbulence of circumstance remains as long as one perceives themselves to be molded by external forces. Fate, my brothers, is your own design. However, upon realization of their innate creative prowess, the potential to summon the latent seeds and fertile soil within their being, from which circumstances spring forth, dawns upon them. Indeed, circumstances invariably arise from the seeds of thought. Those who have diligently practiced self-discipline and refinement are aware of this immutable truth. They observe that alterations in their circumstances closely parallel shifts in their mental landscape. This correlation is so steadfast that when an individual earnestly engages in self-improvement, experiencing a palpable advancement, they traverse a swift succession of transformation. Undeniably, it seems, this transformation is seeded in the inception of the thought process.